the 7-Eleven here. Getting some drinks. Cup noodles. Yeah, found cup noodles. Okay. That's the one I'm looking for. This one is seafood. What else? What's that called? It's too spicy. Ничего. Let's see what it is. Just one more water. Food here. So you see, yeah. So let's get some lunch. Finalize the lunch and the video editing process. Then 荷物をまとめて、あとは出発。Oops. Where is it? Out at the hotel.
1階でございます。ドアが開きます。
Okay. So guys, just reached on the way to Fukuoka, and let's go and find out where we shall head for transit or changing trains. It's pretty fast. Hopefully we can catch the train on time. So what's this station? Gion. Gion に到着いたします。So apparently we are heading towards that direction. That kind of confused me. At last I found the seats. According to the sign here, we should be heading towards the right direction, which is the JR Sen and Shinkansen. Still packs of people, too packed, I suppose. Jesus. Alright, on the escalator. Tokyo Haneda, Tokyo Ikunara, ANA. Okay. Let's go and get the ticket to Kitakyushu. Shinkansen. Fukuoka. Okay, JR. Hidari to the left. Hidari desu. There still. Which one? This one. Just grab this one for reference. Still JR. Can we get a ticket here? Nope. There is no ticket here for JR. Maybe yes. Still have to head. Towards there. Nope. Yes, this one. Yes. Yes. Oh, Jesus, mate. Uh-oh, staircase. It's like we're gonna have to carry that. JR Sen. JR loves. Shinkansen. ネットで予約ガイド。これを取ってきました。3人。もうボランティア専用のボランティア。What an awesome encounter I just had. In fact, I just bumped into several Aussies and several American folks, and I pretty much enjoyed the conversation. So if you happen to, happen to be there at the same place at the same time with me just now, what an amazing encounter! Because I managed to overcome my stuttering almost completely, and that I have to admit it really rejuvenates my confidence to overcome stuttering completely. So sorry, that's the wrong way. JR Sen still there? Can't believe it. Okay, man. JR. Oh my god. So JR Sen right over there. Jesus, mate. I'm sorry I couldn't film there, during the the gathering of those Aussie and American friends. You know, because I imagine that might just offend them. All right, so finally we reached the ticket machine for JR and Shinkansen. Okay, what do we have here? Fuku. Okay, let's see. Maybe we should get a return ticket. Fuku. Kokura, yeah. Is this? What's this? Q34 Shinkansen. Kyushu Shinkansen. Kyushu Shinkansen 乗車券を九州内新幹線Kokura, right? Kokura. This one. 領収書お願いします。Kokura. Well, in fact, they don't have the time constraints on when you decide to return. So I guess no worries for that. There's for banknotes. Kind of. IC カードはなし。
または IC カードを入れてください。
これを2枚
お金または IC カードを入れてください。
Next, we throw in some coins.
お金または IC カードを入れてください。カードはダメなんだ。IC カードを入れてください。ダメなんだ。
Okay. Water return ticket. Okay. Processing. Yes. Just got the receipt and the two tickets. Yes, plus the return one, the return tickets. Kyushu. Here it says short distance single ticket. Yes. Sorry about my poor quality of translation. Been filming for too long. Let's shut the camera for a while. At last, we finally reached the JR platform, JR line platform. Jesus. And our train departs from Hakata, Fukuoka to Kokura Kitakyushu at 3:03 p.m. And it's gonna stop at several stations. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce those. And the platform number is number 2. Oh, sorry, the track number is track number 2. Regional rapid service. Kaisuかな。特急普通はこれだけらしいんですよね。じゃあtrack number 6, so that's track number 7. So we should be heading towards the右のside, the right hand side. Let's keep going. Where is it? No, not here. 3, 2. Yes, 2 is over there. Okay. Escalator. Oh, where's the escalator? Cool. So if you happen to carry a relatively large, a luggage of relatively large size, so remember to get into the elevator. Not here. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, so let's get into the waiting room. Okay. So I boarded the train to Kitakyushu and I got some good companies like this lady and this boy. かわいいんですよ。So just trying to film some random stuff like apartments, parking lots, and the river, and Fumo clouds. I have found Japanese apartments quite amazing, honestly speaking. And yes, they do bear some striking resemblance with those Chinese apartments, not just in China but in Singapore, in Malaysia whatsoever. Let's film in this one. Okay, so maybe it can take around an hour from Fukuoka to reach Kitakyushu. So let's just sit and enjoy the view. I might just add some more soundtracks to this video afterwards while I post it on YouTube. So let's enjoy. So we are now traveling north, towards the north, of course, but not too far to the north, because that happens afterwards once I finish or finalize my business in Kitakyushu and return to Fukuoka and travel to Sapporo by airplane, and that will happen very soon. As soon as that happens, I shall let you guys know about it. So we reached the first stop, I suppose. Probably it will stop for, I don't know, probably several minutes or 10 minutes whatsoever. Maybe let's see how much